So to edit this photo, we'll be starting with crop as usual to remove all those parts that we do not want. So I'll remove this part of the, what is it called, the lamp, a little bit here, and we'll just crop to what we prefer, what we want to show. And of course taking into consideration the grid lines. I think this is okay. Yeah, this looks okay. Then we'll go to tools. This picture looks quite beautiful on its own, but let's see how much we can do. Brightness, just a little bit. I think the 50% is okay. It's not looking too. This picture is looking quite good on its own. So contrast, okay, I'll add a little bit of contrast. Then saturation, I think 40 will be okay. Then ambience, then highlights, that gives it that white feel. I think it'll be good on 50. Shadows, nothing really serious for shadows, so I'll just leave it on 52. Leave it on 50. And warmth, I'll add a little bit of warmth to it, just a little. So I think this is okay. Then I go back to tools, details, structure. No, I don't want too much structure. And sharpening. I want to see what it looks like. That's why I'm zooming to see it. I think it's okay at 50. I just click the tick sign. I think these are the main tools I want to use. I don't think I want to use other tools. So I'll just export my photo. Save. And that is it. That is just it with the editing of this picture.